This place is massive. We got the river over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll show you guys in a second. But this place is massive. There's a lot of rooms. It's going to be hard to get it all in one video. You know, I'm not trying to make a big old video, but this place is definitely worth checking out. But then we come over here to the window. I don't know if you can see, you got the river. You know, it's the beginning of Monroe. But this place is sick. Definitely they try to save the roof from falling down. I mean, we shouldn't be here. I'm pretty sure it's dangerous. We found a lot of weak spots on the floor, you know. So I won't suggest for you guys to come, because if you fall down, I don't know if anybody's gonna find you. Other than that though, it's pretty sick. Yes. Says stay alive. Mi phone se mira mejor que el GoPro. GoPro doesn't do good in the low light. So, yeah, you see those water tanks ahí? Mira ese. Así es lo que tenemos en Arizona. Tenemos esos tanques. ¿Y está lleno?
De México, los que están dando
I don't know if it was like bread or metal or what they produce. But this place is pretty awesome. Oh, yeah, what's that? Oh, que mira, lee algo. Department of Ecology being sued. Oh, there was ecology? ¿Qué es eso? What is that? They probably got shut down. Colombia.
It's
fucked up.
Masonry products. Oh, es pinche concrete, güey.
How romantic look. Fucked up, but my heart still beats for you. Oh, how cute. Oh, see the concrete, ¿no? Aquí se baja así. Abajo de la mezcladora. I don't remember the way out though. Por aquí estamos, ¿verdad? Mira qué chido el fondo se mira con el GoPro. Mira el GoPro qué negro se ve. So voy a tener que only use my phone footage porque ¿dónde? See, dude, this must be a cement factory. That's the only thing we can come up with. Let's see what's over here. Oh, the main power source. Welcome to the blood hell. Dude, I'm telling you, everybody that comes here is like either some witchcraft people or something. Yeah. So panels. They're panels. Little shitty dump. Yeah. Yeah, I would suggest to come to this place. It's really old. Might get hurt. Bring somebody with you. But it's definitely worth checking out. Damn, look at this. Look at the sky, dude. Las nubes. En el teléfono, ¿cómo se mira? Look at the phone, como capta el cielo de las nubes.
Oh, es como pinche. El cosa llama el Windows Vista, güey.
Ah, sí, era chido. Alright, guys. guys, that's it for the video. I mean, there's a lot more that I could show you guys, but the video would have been super long. This place was pretty awesome, the best place that I found so far. Now we gotta head back home before we get caught. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one.